guys, I'm Vaidik. Today we'll solve some kinematics questions. Now the level 1 first question. The displacement time graph for two particles A and B. A and B are straight lines inclined at an angle of 30 and 60 degrees. So the ratio of velocities. Here the slope of the displacement time graph gives velocity. So slope means tan theta. So here tan theta 1 is to tan theta 2. Tan 30 degrees is to tan 60 degrees. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is to tan 60 root 3. So 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. So it is 1 is to 3 ratio. Option D. Second, which of the following options is correct for the object having a straight line motion represented by the following graph? Here it's starting from here and again coming here. So the displacement is 0 and time is changing. So the velocity of the body is 0. Third question. A particle starts from rest at time 0 and moves like this. Then the velocity of the particle at 3 seconds. First the velocity is 0 and then for 1 second the acceleration is 4. So the velocity increases by 4. Then the acceleration becomes -2 for 1 second. Means again the velocity decreases by 2 and then there is no acceleration. So the final velocity of the particle at time equals to 3 seconds is 2 meter per second. Fourth question. The acceleration from the ratio of acceleration from the velocity time graph means it is the ratio of the slopes. If this is 40 and 25, this would also be 25 degrees. So total this angle is 50 degrees. So ratio of them is tan 25 degrees is to tan 50 degrees. Option A. Fifth question. Velocity time graph for a particle is shown. The distance traveled in the first 4 seconds. The distance traveled means area of the velocity time graph. First 4 seconds means the area of this triangle. Half into 4 into height 8. Ones are 4s are. 16 meters is the distance traveled in the first 4 seconds. 6. An elevator is going up. The variation in the velocity of the elevator is as given in the graph. What is the height to which the elevator takes the passengers? So first here we have to find the total distance of this. Means this is a trapezium. Trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides. Means half into 3.6 into 2 to 10. Means 8 plus 12. 1.8 and 1.8 into 20. So the total distance traveled by the elevator is 36 meters. Seventh question. The displacement time graphs of two moving particles making 30 degrees and 45 degrees with x-axis is shown. The ratio of the velocities v1 is to v2. The graph is given like this. For v1 45 degrees and for v2 30 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is to tan 30 degrees. Tan 45 is 1 is to 1 by root 3. Means 1 divided by 1 by root 3 is root 3 is to 1 ratio. Option A. In the given velocity time graph, the distance traveled by the body means we have to find the area till here. First, here this triangle. Half into base is 2 and height is 20 to 40 means 20. Here it is 20 and then down rectangle 20 into 2 plus 40 and again here one more rectangle 20 into 1 again 20 meters and here triangle half into base is 1 and height is 20 plus 10 and here one more triangle half into 1 into 20. Again plus 10. 20 plus 40, 60. 60 plus 20, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10, 100. Option D. Ninth question. For the displacement time graph shown in figure, the ratio of magnitudes of speed during the first 2 seconds and the next 4 seconds. For the first 2 seconds, here the slope. Slope will be here 0 comma 0 and here 2 comma 20. 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 20. Slope is 20 minus 0 by 2 minus 0, which is 10. And for the next 4 seconds, it is from 2 comma 20 to 6 comma 0. So it is 20 by 4, which is 5. Now the ratio of speeds is 10 is to 5, which is 2 is to 1. So the answer for ninth question is option B.